When you're a little bit behind on your house payment, the first question I always ask people is, if you were current on your house today, would you be able to make the payment? You've already told me that you could. Like you had a temporary setback in income so that you missed some payments, and now the mortgage company wants all that money at the same time. You're unable to do that, and if you can't pay all that money at the same time, then their threats to foreclose on your house are going to come true. They're actually going to do that. That's what Chapter 13 is for. It will not lower your ongoing house payment, but it will take all the money that you're past due and combine it into one low, very small payment spread out over a period of time so that you don't have to pay it all at once. You can gradually catch it back and get back on your feet. At the same time, all your other bills can be included as well at a very small payment so that everything is taken care of with one affordable payment that you make out of each one of your paydays. Then, once all that's done, after you finish this plan, that's what we call it, a Chapter 13 plan, because it's a plan of repayment. It's a plan that we would file with the court for you that explains how you're going to be able to repay your bills. And when that's finished, you'll be free of debt except for your normal house payment. Everything else, your car, your credit cards, medical bills, all that stuff will be gone and paid for. You'll still have your car, and you will be back on your feet and you'll have a fresh start. That's what the Supreme Court calls it, a fresh start. It's nothing to be ashamed of. I know you're concerned about doing a bankruptcy. You think it's going to be really hard. It's going to hurt your credit. Well, the thought to do it, the process, the thought process that goes into doing it is a tough one. It's a tough decision. But once that's made, and you've already made it by being here, then the rest of it's to do most of the process for you. It's your responsibility to provide us with information, to make one short appearance in court, that sort of thing. Everything else is done for you. And then as far as your credit goes, well, right now your credit is not very good because you're behind on your bills. But we have a program called 7 Steps to 720 that's free to all our clients. Normally it's a $1,000 value, but we give it away free to our clients. It'll help you get back on your feet and get your credit reestablished and get it back to a credit score of 720 in a very short period of time. How's that sound? Hello, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and if you're behind on your house note, if you're facing foreclosure, those problems can be solved through Chapter 13. We have a plan to do that for you. You give me a call right now, you'll be glad you did, or you can contact me through the Get in Touch form at the bottom of the screen.